Hello guys, and welcome to our very first POV review video. Our first car is this Opel Corsa made in 2002 with the 1.4 petrol engine with 90 horsepower. So guys, I want to give you some information on the car before we head to the highway. This used to be my car actually, but now it belongs to my dad. And right now it's sitting at 338,000 kilometers on the clock. It has electric windows, electric and heated mirrors. It also has AC, which is gonna be off for the moment because we're on the highway. As you know, turning it off gives you a lot of boost. So 1.4 5-speed manual beast. Let's go. $5,000 RPM, handles like a dream. Still pulling. Bit of an uphill here. It's gonna flat out any second. Let's see if we can get 160. Let's see if we can get to 160. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. That window is shaking. 160. Wow. Gonna let off the throttle now. Woo! Also, let's try this. 5th gear, 120. Let's go. And it pulls. It pulls almost immediately. Wow. Wow. So guys, that was a good first run, I would say. Now, onto the second one. 3rd gear again. Truck is missing the door. What the hell? Alright, now it straightens. Let's go. BMW was no match for this engine. I'll tell you that much. So, 150 again. I'm gonna stop here. Really, the limitation was here, the driver. I don't want to do anything stupid. The engine could take it. It could go faster, I'm sure. I would say it would go to 180 without a problem. So, this is our exit now. That was a very, very good run, I would say. Now, it's not gonna be the craziest video, but it is my first one, so please keep that in mind. And please let me know in the comments, do you guys like these sort of videos for the channel, or should I just stick to car washes and whatnot? Also guys, I want to let you know that if you want to check out the products I used making this video, I've put links in the description from Amazon. That way, if you decide to buy anything through them, I get a small commission, so you support the channel, so thank you guys so much for that. Alright guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. Bye for now.